In southern Peru lies the vast Nazca Desert, a silent and arid landscape that hides one of humanity's greatest ancient mysteries. Etched into this desert are enormous figures, including animals and shapes, created by the Nazca civilization nearly 2,000 years ago. Perfectly straight lines stretch across the plains, carved with astonishing precision using simple tools and remarkable planning. Monkeys, spiders, condors, and other figures appear across the desert, believed to hold spiritual, cosmic meaning. These geoglyphs are spread across the Nazca region, forming a massive sacred landscape visible only from above. Geometric designs like spirals reflect the Nazca people's deep connection to nature, water, and the cycles of life. Animal figures suggest worship, myths, or messages to the gods, possibly linked to rainfall and survival. Nazca lines form a breathtaking puzzle, an ancient message carved into the earth, still unanswered today. The Nazca people began shaping the desert by carefully moving dark stones aside to reveal the pale earth beneath. Using wooden stakes, ropes, and precise measurements, they planned straight lines and massive figures with remarkable accuracy. Over generations, these designs slowly emerged, forming enormous geoglyphs that could only be fully seen from the sky. The extreme dryness of the Nazca Desert protected these lines, allowing them to survive untouched for more than 15 centuries. Nazca pottery reveals similar symbols, birds, animals, and sacred shapes, connecting their art directly to the desert lines. Textiles, tools, and ritual objects show that the lines were part of daily life. Today, archaeologists use modern technology to study patterns designed over 2,000 years ago. Yet the greatest question remains, why were these massive designs created, and who were they truly meant for? The Nazca Desert reveals its iconic animal geoglyphs, the hummingbird, spider, and monkey stretching across the golden sands. The hummingbird geoglyph, traced with precision stones, reflects the Nazca's reverence for the sky and divine realms. The spiral-tailed monkey symbolizes tropical forests and fertility, connecting the people to nature's cycles. The spider geoglyph represents water and rainfall, central to the survival and rituals of the Nazca civilization. Straight lines, spirals, and trapezoids stretch for kilometers, showcasing the Nazca mastery of mathematics and planning. The immense scale of the geoglyphs becomes clear when compared to a human, revealing designs meant for viewing from above. Nazca geoglyphs bridge earth and sky, reflecting spiritual beliefs and celestial cosmology practiced centuries ago. Advanced planning and geometry guided the creation of these giant designs, highlighting the ingenuity of the Nazca people. As the sun sets and stars emerge, the Nazca lines align with the cosmos, reflecting the people's celestial beliefs. Certain geoglyphs trace the patterns of Orion and Pleiades, showing the Nazca keenly observed the heavens. Straight lines catch sunlight, curved paths glow in moonlight, hinting at solstice and equinox tracking. Priests walked sacred paths along the desert lines, performing ceremonies to honor gods and nature. Clay vessels, shells, and miniature effigies were offered to invoke rain, fertility, and divine favor. From above, the massive geoglyphs take shape, visible to the gods as they watched over the desert world. Mysterious fog and glowing lines hint at purposes still unknown, leaving the Nazca legacy shrouded in wonder. Art, astronomy, and ritual merge, revealing the ingenuity and spiritual depth of the Nazca civilization. In the 1920s, pioneering pilots soared above the Nazca Desert, revealing the vast hummingbird. By the 1940s, aerial photography captured these giant designs, allowing researchers to document and study them systematically. Today, drones glide over the lines at sunset, casting long shadows that highlight their astonishing scale and precision. Conservation teams carefully measure and monitor the lines, working to preserve this ancient wonder for future generations. In 1994, The Nazca Lines were declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for their cultural and historical significance. Despite protection, the lines face threats from erosion, human activity, and environmental changes, yet these ancient geoglyphs continue to inspire awe, connecting past and present through the imagination of humanity. As we pull back into the stars, the Nazca Lines remind us of the enduring mystery and genius of those who created them.